Greetings, chess players! My name is Chris Torres, and this is Linus Maximus Torres, and this is our daily chess musing for January 15th, 2021. The pairings are up in Wijk Aan Zee. Of note is the absence of fan favorite Daniil Dubov. After someone in his bubble tested positive for COVID-19, Daniil was scratched from the field and replaced by German Grandmaster Alexander Donchenko. Donchenko is the only player who will be making his Tata Steel debut in round 1. Now that we know who the players are, let's take a look at the format. The tournament is scheduled for 13 rounds and will be played between January 16th and January 31st. The time controls are 100 minutes for the first 40 moves, followed by 50 minutes for the next 20 moves, and 15 minutes for the rest of the game, with 30 seconds added for every move. As always, I recommend visiting the official tournament website, tatasteelchess.com. Also, be sure to check out the Daily Chess Musings Facebook page. Follow me on Twitter at TorresChess. Join our Daily Chess Musings Club on chess.com. And peruse through all of our free lessons at dailychessmusings.com. And with that, we bid you adieu until tomorrow. But before you go, please remember to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss tomorrow's recap of all the action from round 1 of the 2021 Tata Steel Chess Tournament.